Right, we're ready. Hi. Wondered about buoyancy aids versus life jackets. Well, if you're a canoeist, sort of, fast water sports and things, buoyancy aids are okay. But it's a life jacket that will save your life. So if you're a boater, my sort of, best advice is life jackets every time. So there's lots of different types on the market. There's this one, commonly a stole version. There's this type I'm wearing now, which is the sort of typical with yachting and offshore power boating. Then we've got this type, which you'll recognise these types from if you've done a cruise, if you've been lucky enough to do that. This one is a kiddie size one, but you can get them for adults. And they're obviously just a straightforward waistcoat style, so there's no real fussy bits on there. And if you've got pets, don't forget you can get life jackets for dogs. I don't think they're doing for hamsters yet, maybe they're working on it, but they do them for sort of dogs, which are very common on boats these days. So don't forget, like Terry's, you need one for your dog. So what about the life jacket? The bit inside is what I want to show you today, because this is what you need to check at least once a year to make sure that your cylinder is in date and that the mechanism that's going to blow it up is working. So they just unzip if it's this type, and you get that yellow bladder inside. Don't worry about going past this bit. I get loads of people, oh no, I don't want to go up. You're okay, you're not going to break it. This is what they call a break zone, which means the zip is weaker. So if it goes off when you fall in, or if you're blowing it up manually, it can actually undo the zip. So all we do is go past that break point in order to get the zip undone. And then we carry on all the way around to reveal the bladder inside. Another break point on the other side, open that up, go past it, and there it is, all opened up. So what's inside? This is the bit we're looking at, the red toggle, because that's what you pull if it fails to go off automatically. And inside, if we open up, there's the bit we want to look at today, and it's this bit here I'm interested in. If I turn that upside down for you, can you see those numbers and letters stamped on? That's the date you're looking for. Every year, get that checked, and we're just making sure that there's no sort of due play in that, and that's fine, that's okay, and that should work fine. On the other side of the life jacket, you've got the whistle, and if it, like it when you're on an airplane, if your life jacket fails to inflate, you can blow it with this bit. That's the oral inflation tube. So I'll pop that on there for a minute, because the question we're all asking ourselves now is, how do I put a life jacket on? He's back. Here's Ryan back, and we've got one of the stole type of life jackets, which are the most common ones. Dead easy to put on. Undo all the buckles, make sure that the crutch strap is undone, and then just open it out like that. Right arm out, left arm out, spin round, and you can see this is the crotch strap that goes up through there. Then see this here, snaps in there, push it together, voila, one life jacket. And there's that pull switch we was telling you about if it fails to inflate on its own. So life jacket versus buoyancy aid. If you're a boater, life jacket every time. See you next time.